What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how I made $200,000 online, and I'm going to show you everything I did from the product, the traffic. I'm going to be pulling back the curtains on everything in this video. Now, a lot of you guys like these types of videos because they're very transparent, and that's what I like to do. I like to show you what's working for me right now. So if you want to make money online, you want to learn how to make money online, you're interested or you have some sort of interest in it and you haven't quite started yet, then this is the video for you. Because I'm going to take you through step by step exactly how I made this money, and I'm also going to show you some tips in this video on how you can make money with this, and I'm also going to give you some cheat sheets to help you along the way so you can get started making money online yourself if that's what you want to do online. When I first started making money online, I actually came across a video very similar to this where someone was making $30,000 a month, and that's the video that sparked the thing in my mind that where I believed that making money online was real, and I started to make money online after watching that video. So let's jump into my computer, and hopefully this video will help you get started online. All right, guys, welcome back to the video. So here's a screenshot of some results here. 241,000, but let me actually show you the real results because a lot of people are always like, oh, it's fake, it can't be real and things like that. So I'm going to actually refresh this page. I'm not showing you this to show off or anything. I just want to show you actual real results because a lot of people, for some reason, seem to think that online is always fake. These are actually real results. I worked extremely hard for these. These by no means came easy. This is not get rich quick scheme or anything like that. I worked very hard for these results. But what I want to do is explain to you how I got these results. So hopefully it will spark something in your mind and you might become successful by following what I teach. Okay, hopefully you will. Some people might get success from my strategies and a lot of people probably don't, but I want to show you this to help you out and show you exactly how you could possibly make money online and show you that it actually is possible. Okay, I'm still getting this money today, and the method that I'm actually showing you, I stopped doing it a few months ago. I'm going to start doing it again, but I'm still getting commissions every single day from this strategy that I did. Okay, so how does this actually work? So what this is called affiliate marketing. And what is affiliate marketing? Let's first explain exactly what affiliate marketing is. It's when you get paid when someone purchases a product that you promote, and that's called a commission. Okay, you get paid for that commission. You promote, that's supposed to say you promote. You promote someone else's products, and the best thing about being an affiliate marketer is all you need to do is focus on the traffic. You don't need to focus on your own products or support or anything like that. That's why I love affiliate marketing. Now, how do you become successful with this? How do you make money? How do you get commissions? Now, what a lot of people normally do is they'll dive in and they'll just spam affiliate links everywhere. And I promise you, you're never going to be successful doing that if you continuously keep doing it. What you want to do is, first of all, you want to find something to promote, but there's a few key things that you want to understand before promoting something. I try to promote stuff, if I'm doing a long-term affiliate marketing campaign, I try to promote stuff that has a recurring income. Means that as long as someone's using that product, I get a commission every single month from that person as long as they stay on. And I usually try and go for something that people need, okay? And something I can use as an angle to make money, and something I could potentially scale. So something that could last a lot. Like I actually promoted this for over a year, but something that can last a long time. You don't just promote it for a few days or a few weeks and stop. Something you can keep promoting and keep promoting. That's what you want to do. So for this one here, the program I'm promoting, you can get up to 40% per month recurring commissions on $97, and they've got other products that you can promote as well. First of all, it starts off at 30%. It used to be just 40 for everybody, but they changed it. But once you get 40 active members, then they put you up to 40% commission, which is really, really good. So what is this program? What I actually go and promote, it's called ClickFunnels, and what it is a sales funnel software that people use to build sales funnels. And this is what I mean by something that everybody needs. Because everyone that's trying to start a business online needs a sales funnel so they can go and build landing pages, memberships, webinar funnels and stuff like that. And it's a recurring commission every single month. You get $38 on the 40% of 97. So you get 97. So you get 40% of $97. So this is something that people need, and there's lots of other programs out there. I actually have a list for you below of all the best programs that I promote and make money from. I haven't finished doing it yet, but I've been adding it to this list, and these are the best programs that make the best money, okay? But more importantly, this video isn't about what I promote, it's about how I actually promoted it and made the money, because that's really the secret sauce of this video. So the first step when you're promoting something is you need to find a problem, okay? So the problem here was people want to start a business. A lot of people don't know where to start. People need funnels. They don't know how to build funnels. So I show them how to create funnels. And then maybe they have a business and they don't know how to scale. So these are the problems. They don't know how to start a business. They don't know how to build funnels. They need funnels. They don't know how to build funnels. And they don't know how to scale. So that's the problem in this particular niche that I needed to tackle. The solution was simple. I need to educate them on this. I need to give them pre-made funnels. I need to educate them on this as well. And I need to educate them on this and teach them. Now, you can do this in any industry. Let's say you're in the fishing niche and you want to promote a fishing course or something like that. You can educate people on how to start fishing or how to be better at fishing. You've got to find the problem and solve the problem with the solution. If you don't do that, you're not going to have a very good affiliate marketing campaign. So what I did next was I created a 5-day training course, okay? And I tested a lot of titles, but this was how I increased sales by 242% in my online business by using a simple funnel, which is completely correct. I did. And I showed them how I did that inside this 5-day course. Plus we had a bonus day. And this is a 5-day free course for these people to go through. Now, inside this course, I offer them a lot of stuff. Like this is the course content. I introduce them to funnels. I show them the importance of funnels in their business. I offer them free funnels, and I make it as easy as possible for them. So first of all, I'm introducing them to funnels. I'm showing them how funnels are important in their business in case they already have one, okay, because I can target different audiences in that case. And I offer them free funnels. So, and then they go and use ClickFunnels because I've given them free funnels that they can use in ClickFunnels, if you get my drift. So let's get into the good stuff here. The meat and potatoes, as they call it. So what I did is I sent people from YouTube advertising, and I'll show you all the numbers in a second. It's crazy, all the numbers and everything like that. I sent people from YouTube advertising over to this page, and I collected their email. And I sent them this free course. I sent them 2 emails. These emails are actually from something else, so just here for demonstration purposes. I sent them these emails basically in day 1, day 2, so instantly then the next day. This was day 2. And then after they gave me the email, I redirected them to the 5-day training series. So here it is, the 5-day training. This is the course. It's all unlocked. They can do it whenever they like, but it's 5 days, so step by step, 5 days. Now, this isn't all. What I actually did then is I did something that basically let me throw as much money as I wanted to at advertising, okay? Because obviously, when you're doing advertising, you're not going to make your money back if you're just giving away trials and getting affiliate commissions from ClickFunnels, so it takes a while to build up. So what I did is after I sent them these free course emails, I started sending emails for my paid course that was $299. The reason you want to do something like this is because this is going to pay for your advertising. And this is really important because then you're going to start getting your leads and your trials for free. And then you can scale it and you can scale it and you can keep scaling it. So let me kind of show you how that works. So I'm going to give you the lowdown here on a good ad and a bad ad, but why I kept the bad ad running. Now keep in mind that the prices on the left and the numbers on the left are in New Zealand dollars. So I've converted it to US dollars on the right. So the first ad here, you'll see that I spent 62,000 New Zealand dollars. So I spent $40,000 American and I made back 140,000 US dollars. So I was very profitable on this ad. And I made that money from promoting my paid course in the back end. So all of these leads, so 20,000 leads plus all of the trials from ClickFunnels, I got them for completely free. I didn't spend any money. I didn't waste any money to get those leads. In fact, I was profitable. Now, on the bottom one, you'll see that this one here, I spent 50,000 US dollars and I only made back 26,000 US dollars. So I actually lost money. But the reason I kept this going is simple. I didn't really optimize it that well. I probably could have got it profitable, but I was lazy. I didn't really care. But the reason I kept this going is simple. Because I was still getting trials and I was still getting leads. I got 16,000 leads. So I actually, even though I didn't make a profit, I essentially have made a profit now because I got all of those leads that I could promote stuff to later, Plus, I got all of the ClickFunnels free trials as well. I didn't actually get them for free because I didn't make a profit here, but I actually have made profit in the long run. So essentially all of those trials are free. But what I wanted to basically, the reason I'm showing you the ad that didn't make me any money is really important because a lot of people will see this and they'll stop running ads. But and these are not the only ads I ran. I ran a lot of ads, and a lot of ads I did not make any money, but I didn't care because I made money in the long run. They eventually all became profitable. You need to understand this. Even if I like these ads, I'm still going to scale these. These ads are not running right now, but I do have others that are going to be scaling because we had to redo our offer in the back end. But we made good money with these. So eventually, it's very important that you don't, you need to understand that it's not always about making profit up front. It's all about the long-term customer value. Now, what's more important here is the course sales paid for the ads in most cases. All my affiliate trials were free and all my leads were free. So essentially this 241,000 now, I'm not going to say the entire 241,000 was from this one traffic method because I did get a lot of the money from blogs that I've mentioned in previous videos and stuff like that, but a good chunk of it was from the advertising. So we'll just say maybe like 180,000 I basically got for free from these ads because my course essentially paid for the advertising in most of these ads. Okay, so that's what I mean. Like you want to have an offer and a system that pays for itself, and then all of your affiliate commissions and all of your leads and stuff are completely free. That's the secret of doing this. And these are some of the videos, my ads, and you can kind of see that, I'm not playing around. I was spending good, money, 600,000 views here, 1 million views here, and 1.2 nearly here, million, right? These are some of the ads. You guys might have seen some of these in the past and things like that. So you know that I actually went out and ran these ads. I'm literally uncovering my whole system here so you can see it for yourself, okay? Now, what I actually do want to do now is show you kind of like some numbers to kind of put this into perspective for you about the long-term possibilities of something like this. So basically you get $38 per person. There's two plans. There's $38 and there's $118 if you're on the 40% plan, right? Now, let's say person number one gets on the plan and you get a $38 commission every single month. This is in a 6-month period. For 6 months, you would make $232 in 6 months from that one person. Now, let's say that the second person that you get on does the $38 for 1 month and they upgrade to the next plan and they pay $118 for the rest, 5 months. You get $632 from that person in 6 months. And let's say this person here pays for 3 months and they stop paying because they don't use ClickFunnels anymore. You get $116. This person here, what they do is they pay the $38 per month and for 6 months, but they also purchase another product from ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels have a lot of other products you can promote and things like that. And you get $398 commission from that, which you do from some of their products. That would be $631. Then let's say person number 5 gets on the biggest plan straight away. In 6 months, you've got $712, right? That's $2,326. But people don't realize that there's so much long-term money and value in a product that you're promoting that has a recurring commission. It's all about the long-term commissions. Now, one thing I want to talk about is the key metrics. Once you understand these key metrics, you can then scale something like this to the moon. So ultimately, you want to get your leads for free. So you want to get the emails for free. And you also want to get trials for free. That's not always going to be the case, but eventually they will become free. Basically, what I mean is you need to have some sort of offer in the back end or something else that pays for your advertising. And you need to figure out, what are you paying per trial? That's the most important metric when you're doing something like this. Now, the good thing about ClickFunnels is you can do a breakdown. You can see how many trials you've collected in 7 days, 30 days, 2 months, a year, and all time. So I took this from the last 30 days of when I was actually running these campaigns. So 80 new trials and 27. Oh, no, actually, this is just recently. But what I will do is show you what I calculated off one of the 7 days. Was it 7 days? Yeah, one of the 7 days that I did in that campaign. So I was paying $50 or less per trial, so I know that $50 or less is what I need to aim for per trial. On this week here, so this is 1 week, I got 37 trials. I spent $1,670. This is all New Zealand dollars. And I actually think that might be US anyway. And I was paying $45 per trial. I made $1,400 in course sales. So I wasn't profitable that week, but I actually only paid $4 per trial because of the course sales in the back end. So it was nearly free. $4 per trial. You kind of got to comprehend how crazy that is. $4 per trial. I know people that pay up to $100 per trial. But when you have a self-liquidating offer in the back end that pays for all of your advertising or majority of your advertising, you can start to scale and scale and scale, because now I know that, hey, if I can spend $1,600 and I make back $1,400 and I'm getting all of these, and I'm getting 37 trials that could potentially pay me $38 per month, plus they could buy other products, I'm just going to scale that as fast and high as I possibly can. That's what I'm going to be doing. Now, what I've actually done in this video, guys, this is, there's not a lot of like actionable content in this video, but I like to just show you this stuff so you can actually see. But what I want to show you first is actually, this is the email campaign that I sent out. So as you can see, I'm sending all of these emails like, hey, open up, I've got the free course for you and stuff like that. And then down below is when I actually started promoting my my affiliate course. So down here is when I started promoting my course. Now, if you want videos on how to set up an email list like this and stuff like that, I'll leave videos below so you can figure all that out. And I'll leave videos below on how you can build funnels and collect emails and that sort of stuff. But what I want to mainly show you in this video is the importance of advertising and not worrying about profits straight away, and figuring out your key performance indicators, which in this case was how much was I paying per trial and how much could I get that down by getting people to purchase my course after they saw the free one. Now, what I've done in this video is I've left a sheet below. This is a quick little sheet that I wrote up. I haven't really finished it, but I go through kind of these steps, the product that you need to kind of look for, and I'll give you the list, and then the hook. So why should they listen to you? What do you have to offer them? Simple. Create some sort of free book or free course on how to do email marketing. Because I was actually talking about an email marketing product in this page, you'll understand in a second. And the hook can be something like, get your free 7-day guide to building a profitable email list in 60 days. Get your first 1,000 email leads using free traffic. These are hooks. This is what hooks people in. And then down here, I give you some traffic ideas. It's really important to understand the importance of actually doing this properly, because if you don't do this type of stuff properly, you won't make money online and it won't work for you. I will leave some free training up on the screen that will take you through step by step how you can start your own affiliate marketing business from scratch. And I'll also leave a playlist up there that you can check out as well. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell. I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop a like on it if you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below, and I'll see you on one of the videos on the right.